Hey there, welcome to an unboxing video of the Casio SP34 3 pedal unit. It is for sustain, sostenuto, and dampering. I don't know. Anyway, all I want it for is the sustain. But first I'm just going to unbox this pedal. Here we go. This is what it looks like when the pedal's unboxed. Anything can happen during an unboxing video. It is the 12th of November, a Saturday. It's 39 degrees out. 2 pedal units. Why? Hey, this is actually my 3rd pedal unit because I have 3 Casio PXS3100s. Why? One for a studio, one for the road, one for the living room. Let's open it up, huh? Here we go. Cutting towards myself, bad idea. All right. So I've already used it at a gig. By the way, it comes with a manual. In that manual is 2 clips, which they don't really tell you what it's for, but I think it's for organizing your cords. There it is. I don't think I need the box cutter anymore. Beautiful styrofoam. Oh yeah, securely taped. Tastes great. Good tasting styrofoam. Do not eat styrofoam. And there's that piece. That's it. That's it. That's it. Oh, let's take a look at the box again. You box unboxing lovers. Here we go. See how? Look at that. See on the bottom and all around there. Yeah, that's pretty good. And that's it. There's the unit. Let's open it up. Well, I'm sorry, I'm not prepared too well, but it is a proprietary unit, which means it does not use a 1/4" jack input. It uses this special input right there, which, okay, see? It uses that. Now, I find this doesn't move around. I'll talk more about that in a second. But I do find that they're a little stubby. It's a little stubby. But it's worth it because now I'm going to tell you about, and you're going to look at this. I don't look that great, of course. Anyway, it is the 12th of November, and that was the Casio SP34 3 pedal unit purchased for the Casio PXS3100 keyboard. I bought the Casio SP34 3 pedal unit for 2 reasons. 1, to free up a damper pedal input so it can be targeted as a play stop pedal. 2, the other reason, to use the Casio SP34 3 pedal unit as a sustain pedal. Myself, I don't care about the pedals other than the sustain. The Casio SP34 3 pedal unit weighs 2.2 pounds, and so far it doesn't seem to move around on the floor. I use the expression pedal input for organ, saxophone, guitar, sounds. It's really important to be able to express just the volume of those instruments. The rhythms and or accompaniments are performing, are playing, and are not adjusted as you do the expression pedal. These are important things I thought that I wanted to impart to you. So anyway, now I use a Yamaha FC7 expression pedal. It costs around $39 and it weighs almost 3 pounds. So far, it doesn't seem to move around on the floor. Now the Casio PXS3100 keyboard weighs 25 pounds and costs around $879. Man, I love it. I love that keyboard. It has 700 tones. I use piano 90% of the time. Wonderfully weighted keys, just like candy. 200 built-in rhythms, which can also be used as accompaniments. I use accompaniments less than 10% of a performance. Rhythms I use as much as possible. Sometimes when a gig has enough pay, I'll use a real drummer or a bass player. If you're a singer, solo, performer, there's different keyboards out there. Like the Korg Arranger has 88 keys. I gotta have 88 keys. That one costs $5,300 plus weighs over 40 pounds. Take it to a gig where beer is sloshing all around, booze and things like that. I don't get it. I don't know. It's just no good. And the Roland RD88 has rhythms, but does it have a ranger function? I don't think it does. It costs around $1,500, which is twice the price of a Casio PXS3100. As you go through and audition the rhythms and accompaniments of the Casio PXS3100 to find your favorites, I suggest shutting off the reverb because it changes your options not for the better. Boy, I don't know what else to say. Pop songs. The radio is filled with drums, and it would seem folks want to hear recognizable songs. I just love the sound of drums. Yep, it's fake, but there's a lot of fake drums on the radio over the years and currently. The included sustain pedal works great of the Casio PXS3100 if it's dedicated just as a play stop controller mounted to a piece of wood to make it more stationary. That's it. I don't know what else to say. I don't want to make it a long video, but I'm just really sold on the 3100. And boy, the expression pedal really opens up stuff. And of course, play stop functionality also adds expression. Thanks for watching. I don't know. Bye.